tell me, what do you mean by our true nature? What does our true nature look like? How would you describe it?
Wow, that's a good one, George. I don't know that I can describe it other than via a feeling, that you'll know your true nature via a feeling. That's probably the best I can say, is that you sense it inside of yourself, that there's something bigger than the intellect. There's something deeper than the intellect. But it's so much a sense of things. And it really is, it's like it defies description. But I know when I'm there, when I feel it, and I know when the people around are feeling it. I know when an audience is touched by their true nature. I've had people come up to me and say, after a beautiful talk, where there's a lot of depth and that feeling is just coming out of everyone, and you see the impact on the faces, and you feel it's like a living substance, this energy. Even though it's formless energy, you feel it like a living substance. And people will be moved by that. And that's our true nature moving us and expressing itself via a feeling as well as information. That information comes with it, maybe not in the moment. Maybe you're just experiencing this feeling more than you ever have before. But at some point, information will also come too, because our true nature is very, very practical. And it guides us in life. It gives us the how-tos in life, like, now what? Where do we go from here? How can I handle this? I've come up, in a situation, I'm not sure what to do with it. You start to trust yourself more. You trust your wisdom more, that your wisdom will guide you. Even if it's what not to do. Often that's how it shows up for me when I don't know where to go or what to do or sort of what's next. I know what I don't want to do. I don't know yet the unknown, what I do want to do. But I've discovered that that's sufficient, that I have a sense of what I don't want to do. I don't want to hurt. I don't want to I want to be open. I do know that much. I want to be open. And I want to live in peace.